to understand unless we understand that that source and power comes from the heart of the earth, which is Africa. So I want to thank you all, and I definitely want to thank my sister, Dr. Chin, who I asked her not to put me on the list to speak because I knew after, 24 hours of flying and 12 hours being up and going that I wasn't going to have the strength to bring fire! Fire burn! Fire burn! I love fire burn. I always come, my birthday is around September 29th, so I come to fire burn and we have the little sticks, and I've never experienced anything. I love it. Because I grew up in an area called Watts where we did fire burn about 40 years ago. We really did burn. And what brother and sister said, and what brother said is so true. Our ancestor Frederick Douglass says, he says, power concedes nothing without a demand. It never has, and it never will. Can I repeat that? Yeah. Power concedes nothing without a demand. It never has, and it never will. And as my big brother, Nebuchadnezzar, and I said, we're walking like sheep around this continent, this colony called America. They are the colonizer. This is the land of the indigenous people and African people who have traveled around the world for thousands of years. Thousands of years. This land belongs to the indigenous people. And when I think about the example that we should stand for, I think about Emperor Menelik and Empress Tatu. That we take those invaders that we come, and the women organize themselves into battalions, and the men organize themselves in battalions, and we get those enemies out of our land, and we establish our kingdom that has been here for thousands and thousands of years, and then we proclaim this is our land, and in fact we are the mothers and fathers of civilization. Bow down and understand where we are. The chaos that we see all around us is because we as the mothers and fathers of civilization are not putting those children in their place. We're not standing in our birthplace. We're not fulfilling our destiny. We're not fulfilling what our ancestors proclaimed what our role was. We are the fire burn people. We are the people who correct the incorrectness of this universe. It is our job not to stand still and take it like the brother says. It is our job to correct what is incorrect, like parents must do. I come to bring greetings from the all-African peoples. All African peoples, meaning all of y'all is in the all-African peoples. Revolutionary, not reform, not compromise, not negotiation, not democracy, not neoliberalism. Revolutionary party, not get down party, not boogie down party. Revolutionary party, the party that builds an army to stand beside of their party. Like Frelimo of Angola, in Mozambique, like MPLA of Angola, like PAIGC of Guinea-Bissau, which we are a member. We have to understand that this child, this colonizer, will not leave until we demand him. We understood that in Africa. We understood that in some areas of the Caribbean. Our ancestors understood that. Nah, you hear me? They understood that. We have to muster up the heart and the love of not only ourselves, but our generations to come, to do what must be done, to correct the wrongs and make it right, to bring forth the truth and justice and whatever work it takes. It's not an inconvenience, only death without resistance is an inconvenience. Only death without resistance is inconvenience. We have to be willing to fight and die for our liberation, brothers and sisters. And sisters, I have a special message from the All African Women's Revolutionary Union. We are co-creators. In our womb is the replica of the universe all around us. We hold life for 9 months. We bring forth life. We are the greatest defenders of life. So why would we let anyone other than ourselves lead in the liberation and the security of life? We, like Queen Taifa, like Queen Nana, like Queen of St.Croix, we in Zinga, we have to pick up the spear and organize ourselves to fight for liberation. This whole concept of Ajabi in the kitchen and, you know, having babies, that's what the European wants you to do, because he knows the Nzinga in you. He knows the Nehanda in you. He knows the Yasantua in you. And you know that you cut off his head in a moment's notice when you think that you're docile and that you're sitting somewhere to feed and pamper him. He knows who you really are. So we must know who we are. We are revolutionary women. There's no woman more revolutionary in this universe than the African woman. So I say, African women must lead. Not just fight, we must lead. We also have to lead in the way that we represent. We can't just call ourselves queens and wear all of the crown. We must stand like a queen. We must fight like a queen. We must honor ourselves, our bodies, our children, our relationships, other people's relationships, our nation, our diaspora, like revolutionary women. And when our morals and our ethics are out of bounds, revolutionary women stand in truth, justice, and Ma'at. We are standing for balance. Absolutely. We can't be anything but balance. That is revolutionary. In these days and times, oh yeah, Ma'at is revolutionary. Yes. Look at the degradation all around us. Everything, brothers and sisters, around us, we co-create by our lack of revolutionary commitment. We are co-creators. Let us stand in the footprints of our ancestors, those who created order in the world, those who brought real civilization to the world, where they are still digging at our grave sites to figure out the mysteries of who we are. They're digging our graves. We are the original civilized people, and we must bring that order and balance to the world, but we can't do it as sheep. We must stand like Menelik and Taifa and pick up our arms where we must pick up our arms, and build our nation like we must build our nation, and liberate our people like we must liberate our people. Power concedes nothing without a demand. It never has, and it never will. As I say, and my big brother Kwame Ture used to always say, for whatever,
backward never.
For whatever,
Backward never.
For whatever,
Backward never.
we remain ready for the revolution.
Woo!